music för handling klart Dios. Gentle acoustic guitar like piano monody, subtle ukulele, soft bells, soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. Always no lyrics, perfect for DI, handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts and arts to peers. Co-created and set a goal for long BeYouCraft videos. Clean, minimal Cutie soft, dissonant music with ukulele, light piano, gentle bells. Warm, happy, relaxing mood, perfect background music for handmade flower crafts and DIY tutorials. No vocals, no lyrics. Soft wire instrumental, decor music for handmade craft videos. Gentle acoustic guitar, light piano melody, subtle ukulele, soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. No vocals, no lyrics. Perfect for DI, handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts and arts tutorials. Calm, creative and suitable for long BeYouCraft videos. Soft woman, sentimental. Jak van music för handling klart Dios. acoustic guitar, light piano monody, subtle ukulele, soft bells, soft bells. Slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. Always no lyrics. Perfect for DI, handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts, and art to peers. Co-created and set a goal for long YouTube craft videos. Clean, minimal Cuties soft, que je music with ukulele, light piano, gentle bells, warm, happy, relaxing mood, perfect background music for handmade flower crafts and DIY tutorials. No vocals, no lyrics. Soft wire instrumental, echo music for handmade craft videos, gentle acoustic guitar, light piano moody, subtle ukulele, soft bells, slow to medium tempo, peaceful, cozy, relaxing atmosphere. No vocals, no lyrics. Perfect for DI handmade flowers, pipe cleaner crafts, and arts tutorials. Calm, creative, and suitable for long YouTube craft videos.